Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tarnwood Home Essentials DIY and Home Improvement channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the DEWALT 20 volt max orbital sander model DCW210B. Keep in mind, this is the tool only version. A battery did not come with this as we already have DEWALT batteries, but you can buy a setup with the orbital sander and the batteries included. You'll just have to pay a little bit extra. Also, we would like to add that DEWALT did not pay us to make this video. They did not send us this orbital sander. We paid for this out of our own pocket. So with that being said, let's continue with the video. In this video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about this powerful little tool. We'll cover a breakdown of its features and specs, tips for getting the best results with your sanding projects, and because we know accidents happen, we'll even put in the ultimate test, a drop test. Stick around until the end to see how this tool handles a real-life durability test. If you're wondering whether this sander can survive the rough and tough conditions of your workshop, site project, or even your DIY projects, we got you covered. Alright, so I'll be honest, this won't be your typical unboxing and reviews because we had unboxed it weeks before making this video. But I can tell you what came inside the box when opening. It was only a instruction manual, the sander itself, and the dust bag. That's it, that's all. It doesn't come with free sanding disc or anything like that. But if you're looking for a good selection of sanding discs for your new orbital sander or for your already pre-existing orbital sander, we'll put a link in the description below. The sander is compact, it feels solid, and it has a well-designed grip. Now let's dive into the key features. First, let's talk about the power and speed. This sander runs on DEWALT's 20 volt max battery platform, giving you cordless flexibility without sacrificing power. It has a brushless motor, which means better efficiency and longer runtime compared to brush motors. Another great feature is the variable speed control dials. It ranges from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, which stands for orbits per minute, allowing you to choose the right speed for each job. This is especially handy for moving between rough and fine sanding. Another feature I love is the dust collection system. It comes with a one-touch locking dust bag, which is easy to attach and remove. If you're doing a lot of sanding, this can help keep your workspace cleaner and improve the visibility of the surface you're working on. The sander uses 5-inch hoop and loop sanding disc, which makes swapping out sandpaper a breeze. Just pull out the old disc and slap on a new one. It's quick and it's convenient. DEWALT has done a great job with the grip. The rubber over the mold on the top and the sides give you a comfortable, secure hold. It's lightweight, but it still feels balanced and easy to control, even for the long sanding sessions. And if you're half as clumsy as me, this should give you a sign of relief because the rubber mold over the tool helps absorb a lot of the shock when it falls to the ground. Alright, let's see this sander in action. I got a piece of wood here that's a little rough. We're going to test out different speed settings to see how well it performs. Starting with a low speed, you can see how it gently removes material without being too aggressive. Now let's crank it up to a higher speed. You can feel the extra power and it smooths out the surface quickly. It's a really versatile tool for everything. It's just a little on the noisy side, but it's not too loud. It's not loud enough to where you have to wear headphones or earplugs and stuff like that, but it is pretty noisy. Alright, now it's time for the moment of truth, the drop test. We're going to drop this sander from about 4 feet onto solid concrete. Let's see how it holds up. So there we have it. The sander survived the infamous drop test. Falling from roughly 4 to 5 feet, it still came out intact and unscathed and still working like brand new. DEWALT tools are known for their durability, so I wasn't too worried anyways. This DEWALT Orbital Sander proves to be a reliable addition to any toolbox. Whether you're tackling big projects or small finishing jobs, this tool gets the job done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button for more reviews, tips, and DIY inspirations. Let us know in the comments what tools should we review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.